So, you want to start a YouTube channel in 2025, but you have no clue where to begin? How do you upload your first video? How do you get people to actually see it? Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up your channel, how to post your first video, and how to get into the algorithm and start getting views, even with 0 subscribers. Let's jump right in. Head over to YouTube, sign in with a Google account, click your profile icon in the top right and select Create a Channel. Pick a name that's easy to remember and related to your content, or just use your real name if you're not sure yet. Upload a profile picture and a banner. You can make both for free on canva.com. Then, write a quick channel description that tells people what kind of videos you'll be posting. For example, you could say, "Welcome. I post weekly videos on personal growth, creativity, and YouTube tips." Boom, you've officially got a channel. Time to record your very first video, and here's the most important advice. Don't aim for perfect, aim for done. Your first video idea can be as simple as, "Welcome to my channel. Here's what I'll be posting." Just cover who you are, what your channel is about, what kind of content to expect, and when you'll post. Seriously, just use your phone. Your phone's camera is more than enough. Find some natural light from a window, hit record, and talk like you're FaceTiming a friend. Once you've recorded your video, it's time to edit. Use a free editing app like CapCut, iMovie, or DaVinci Resolve. Trim out long pauses, add subtitles, maybe throw in some background music from YouTube's free music library, then head back to YouTube and hit Upload Video. Give your video a clear, clickable title like, "Why I Started a YouTube Channel in 2025. Add a solid description that includes keywords and a short summary. Make a custom thumbnail. We'll talk more about that in a second. Finally, set your video to public and hit publish. Your first video is officially live. Okay, now that your video is up, how do you get people to see it? YouTube's algorithm is basically a system that shows your video to people if it sees that others are watching and enjoying it. Here's how to give your video the best chance to grow. Hook people in the first 15 seconds. Start strong. Say what your video's about, ask a question or show a preview. Title plus thumbnail equals clickbait without the lie. Make them curious. A good title and thumbnail get people to click, but your video has to deliver. Keep them watching. The longer they stay, the better. Use cuts, zooms, text overlays, anything to keep it moving. Ask for interaction. Seriously, ask them to like, comment, or answer a question. Even asking "Where are you watching from?" helps. Be consistent. Post once a week if you can. YouTube favors creators who show up regularly. Here's how to start getting views, even with no subscribers. Make searchable content. Use video titles like "How I Started a YouTube Channel in 2025, YouTube Tips for Beginners," or "Best Free Editing Tools for New YouTubers." Post shorts. Cut a 30 to 60 second highlight from your main video and upload it as a YouTube short. Shorts are a great way to reach new people fast. Share your video. Post it in beginner YouTuber groups on Facebook, Reddit, or Discord. Ask for feedback, don't spam. Watch your analytics. In YouTube Studio, look at how long people are watching. If they leave in the first 20 seconds, change your intro style next time. Look, your first video won't be perfect. Mine wasn't. Most creators look back and cringe a little. But you know what? They started, and that's why they grew. Don't let fear stop you. Just hit record. Just hit upload. Just get 1% better every time. If this helped you, drop a comment with your new channel name below. I'd love to check some of you out. And hey, subscribe if you want more simple, no BS YouTube tips.